Hello everyone, bringing you a video today, which is another unboxing video, and as the title gives away, this is a gift from Australia. I was recently contacted by a subscriber to the channel called Kobe Peters, who I'm now friends with on Facebook, and who very kindly offered to send me some items from Australia. He offered to send an Australian Service Dress jacket, and then he revealed that there was also some other bits and pieces in the parcel as well after sending it. So there are some bits and pieces in here I'm not exactly sure what they're going to be. He did let slip one is also a hat of modern issue Australian slouch hat. So very interested to see what's in the parcel. And really just the generosity, even the hat and the service dress jacket, incredibly generous to send these over as gifts. Very, very kind of him. And I want to say thank you very much before even opening the parcel, but we will see what else is in there as well. So without further ado, we'll get on to having a look at what's arrived. So here we are, the package from Australia. So let's get this open. Open that there. Okay, I see serge already. I know, as I said earlier, I know there's a jacket in here and possibly a hat, but also we have here, move the box to one side and get these out individually. Bit of paper there. We have an Australian post-war battle dress blouse. Let's have a look here. Labels should be on the inside breast. There we go. Yes, 1951, size 10, which is my size. You must be psychic, Kobe. So that's marvellous. Thank you. We have here a bit of cat toy with the blouse there. Australian Service Dress jacket, which obviously this is uniform with modifications, is the uniform Australian troops wore through both world wars. Quite iconic in that regard. This is lovely, absolutely beautiful. And there's a letter here. Let's have a look. World War II tunic, 1951 blouse, several shoulder badges, a few commemorative coins, and a 2002 slouch hat. Fantastic. There is indeed a slouch hat in the bottom of the box. We'll have a look at that in just a moment. This is 2nd 14th Battalion. The unit history I know a little bit of. I believe they're out in the Western Desert and then returned to Australia in 42, I think. So that's absolutely wonderful. I'll have to try this on later, but it looks like it will fit. So thank you very much for this, Kobe. It's absolutely fantastic. The nice the national buttons there, as you can see. The collar insignia, and then the battalion insignia on the arm there. In felt, these felt patches, I guess. I don't know if the term patches was used in Australia, but badges. Label in here. There we go. Obviously, we will have a proper look at all this in due course. I'm sure there will be videos on these uniforms. And before we get the hat out, there is some insignia here. So we've got a pair of Royal Australian Artillery shoulder titles. And in here we have some coins and a couple of badges. I believe these are, oh, there we go. So you've got the Australian Army, I guess this is probably late 70s, 80s. The shoulder badge, so it's worn at the top of the shoulder, basically is a national title. Sorry, I need to make sure I'm getting this in shot. And then obviously the follow-up for the disruptive pattern camouflage uniform. I think this is colloquially known as the biscuit badge or biscuit patch because of its shape. So that's fantastic. I have some DPCU on the way, so if they don't have the badge on the shoulder, I can have that. And we have some Australian coins here, 50 cents, and I see on the back they have different, obviously much as our coins do, commemorate different events there. That is a 10-cent piece. That's 20, and then $1. I've not actually seen Australian currency previously, so that's very interesting in and of itself anyway. Thank you for those as well, Kobe. And then we have, in the bottom here, a slouch hat, or bush hat, term used on the 2002 slouch hat, so that's official terminology there. But size 58 as well, which again is my size, so You can see the label in the sweatband there. Hopefully you can see the size and everything in there. I am absolutely, I don't know what to say. Just the generosity is well, it's beyond generous. Thank you very much indeed, Kobe. I can't say thank you enough. So as you can see, I couldn't resist putting this uniform on a mannequin basically as soon as I could, and I think it looks fantastic. Though the hat's modern, it looks great together. I've always liked the Australian service dress uniform, and to be gifted one of these by a follower of the channel, someone who's interested in the channel, is absolutely fantastic. Also gives it something of a sentimental value as well from that point of view. And I just want to say thank you very much once again, Kobe. It really is appreciated. And as I say, the other items as well, the battle dress, I'm going to try and tidy that up a little bit, to repair a little bit of the damage that's been done over the years, and perhaps attach the shoulder titles you sent with it. And obviously the hat will be very useful. There's an event coming up in August which I'm going to wear that to. I'll leave you guessing regarding that, no more spoilers on that, but you'll see in good time. Kobe has an Instagram, and it's AIF, as in Australian Imperial Force, so AIF_collectibles. It's at AIF_collectibles. So if you want to have a look at more of his bits and pieces, I highly recommend going and checking that out. I'll put a link to that in the description as well, of course, or in a pinned comment down below, so you can find that easily. Definitely recommend going and checking out his Instagram page. As I say, if you'd like to see more of this sort of thing, and there will be videos on this kit going forward as well as other things. I'm not exactly sure when I'll get around to doing videos on these specific videos, but I hope you've enjoyed seeing this sort of introduction to them. If you'd like to see that, then do consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you're newly subscribing or already subscribed, do make sure you hit the little bell down below, the notification button, which will alert you when I upload future videos. I also have a Facebook and an Instagram myself, so links to both of those in the description as usual. I always plug those at the end of the videos, but do make sure to check out Kobe's as well. As I say, link down, probably in a pinned comment under the video. But that's everything I wanted to cover in this video, so until next time, bye for now.